What the heck? So apparently, you turn invisible. Or child emperor. Oh no, this is broken. So this thing you only get one. Hey, y'all. What about wicked? Stay invisible. Let me see. What as strong as that?
Инорыг хаваг юм ашигласан юм да хатаа автай. Махураагатай адилхан гэж.
Махурааг юм чинь. Yes we. I was glitching!
Bro got the up you what like what the fuck is this?
One more thing, pick up the trash can, okay? And block, okay? Oh, you can now drop trash cans. That's pretty cool. Okay, so first move is new. Oh, wait, so Atomic Samurai got a finisher? Yo, this is my main. Here we go, let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Quick slide is fire. Hold on. Y'all send me real quick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. So now with the Atomic Samurai passive on the down slam is a fire. That is sick. Okay, next and last. Monster Garo. Alright, here we go. We now got Monster Form Garo. Oh, okay. So right now we spawned with 3 moves and our awakening is called Limit Breaker. I don't think they need to confirm awakening yet, so let's see what he says. It's the same person for last. It's the best one. The Doom Dot? I guess. Alright, so let me show every move real quick. He said the first move is quite hard to get.
So you use it, and then slow it down, use it again, and then launch it to the air, and then use it again. And then when you slow down, let me show it once.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie, he kind of for a bit. What is he doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a double down slam. Oh, okay. First time with a jump.
That's the
Okay.
Stare не буду застрелять.
You need some distance, alright? It's a grand move. Let me try to land it. Let me try to land it. Cloud Buster, here we go. Come here. And give me that move.
There's the Monster Garo.
Nice. And for the last one, we have Hammer Heel. The Hammer Heel has 2 variations. Is this the regular Hammer? Okay, if you take a move faster, hold on, let me see. The combo will be full. That's a sick combo. So you can really just do a 3, 2, 1. Now for the variation. Okay, so the berry to be in the air. See? Animation is fire. I ain't gonna lie.
Устроите ивенты.
It's just like old Child Emperor. You see? Oh, the cooldown's back. Expected. Okay. Hold on, my boy Momo said you can spawn ranked maps
Би заасан миний дууцыг авахгүй нэг чи найзаад байгаа юм чараа.
Fourth arena. Oh, now this is fire. Yo, we got the original rank map.
너무 오래됐어. ямар компани ирэх гэж надад хэлсэн.
적당히 감싸.
Okay, pretty peaceful, pretty peaceful. Nice little forest, nice little forest. The city, what the heck is the city? Hey, no way, the city's insane. Can you break stuff? Okay, the city map looks crazy nice. What map is this? This is the Shibuya Crossing. Oh, wait, I didn't realize. Oh, crap, okay. Oh, yeah, we got some epic fights right here. This is where Absalom and Thorfinn almost fought at. Oh my goodness, yo, strong
Ey, artık manga filmi evet. Bir kadar takip ediyorum. Manga 보고 사람들 진짜 내기 좋은 믿고 있으니까. Manga 보고 차 스킨이 지금 내기 좋은 Ne gülüyorsun? Çıkarmaya manga Ben ciddi fanım.
Я говорю, что
А так вот тебе что?
이거 먹고 살 거지.
Ada da kötü güzel olsun. Ada dikkat kabul edilmiş. Mahmut'un müddet hakkında demge. Aslında hiç tarihte ilgi tirosni hiç hoşçakçı çatıştı. Team Ada English mislerin gösterce translate izlesin. Mongol olarak tostu.
Biraz buraya bak.